Welcome to Math 1 End of Course, question 49, test number 1. In the set of real numbers, what is the appropriate domain of the function f of x equals square root of x plus 5? You need to find an input for x, a number substituted for x that can make this entire square root a real number. First of all, the square root of a negative number, any number, is going to be not real number, non-real. When it says non-real, so that is something that we don't deal with. The entire square root, whatever inside the square root, must be either 0 or greater than 0, can't be a negative number. What number you add it to 5 and makes the entire square root equals to 0, so there is negative 5 plus 5, that is 0, equals to 0. What else? Negative 6, it can't be negative 6 because if you substitute negative 6 here, you'll get a square root of negative 1. It does not work, but you can have negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5, that is going to be a positive 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And we have negative 3 plus 5, that is going to be square root of positive 2. Or an irrational answer, but still work, is going to be an answer. And also we have a square root of negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and that is going to be square root of 3. All of them will give you an answer. Like here you see like the numbers are increasing. The next one is going to be square root of 4, square root of 5 is going to be increased. So which tells us that the x is going to be negative 5 or more. X is the appropriate domain is x is greater than or equals to negative 5 because negative 5 works, greater than or equals to negative 5, and that is a choice 1. Let's try choice 2. If x is less than or equals to negative 5, we already tried the negative 5. If you try less than negative 5, a lot of students get confused between the positive and the negative, less than or greater than. If it's less than negative 5, which means negative 6 is less than negative 5, negative 7, negative 10, negative 100 is less than negative 5. If you try negative 10 in here, negative 10 plus 5, that is negative 5. Square root of a negative number is non-real. And you always check your answers with the calculator if you don't have, if you like have a doubt of the answer. X is greater than negative 5. This would work, but it's not the appropriate domain. They're asking for the appropriate domain. Choice 3 is not the answer because you must have, it must work with all numbers. X is greater than 0. This would work, but how about the negative numbers? So choice A is the correct answer. Work well.